Okay, in this video, this is going to be a 3-year review of my COSCO 6-foot folding table. This is a super awesome table. It'll hold up to 300 pounds, and that's going to be distributed. You wouldn't want to put 300 pounds directly in the center, but it may actually do it. Toward the end of the video, I weigh 156 pounds. I'm going to sit right in the middle of that. We'll see what it does. Anyways, this is a 6-footer. This is just a hair under 72 inches long. It's about 29.5 inches wide, and it stands off the floor about 29 inches. Perfect for your family gatherings, yard sales. These are the things I use it for. This will fit 6 adults fairly comfortably, and probably several kids. It's a perfect height from the floor. It's reinforced. Very easy to set up. We'll show you that also. It's a very thick plastic. This is plastic. It's not vinyl, so it won't rip or tear. It's actually black plastic, so it's not painted, so it won't like chip. You can see, some of the little bit of wear on it. So like I said, I've had this thing for 3 years. It's been in the garage. Folds up nicely. We'll fold it up and measure it for you. I don't remember exactly how big it is when it's folded up. Has a carry handle. Of course, there's no place to put that when you're sitting here. It just kind of hangs there. Duct tape will take care of that. Like I said, the legs are good and sturdy. It's got little rubber feet on it, so it doesn't mar up your floors. All right, here it is all folded up. Measurement across is a little over 36 inches by 36.25. Of course, the width is going to be the same as when it's unfolded, 29.5. And its thickness is 3 inches, a little under 3 inches. Okay, and to get it unfolded, you just pop it apart. Slam it into everything else in the room. And once you get it locked, there's a locking lever here. So when you go to fold it up, you just press this and then fold it up. The legs fit in really nicely. They got like a little indentation where they pop in. I don't know where that is. It's up here. And where that pops in, you just pop the legs out. And you lock it in place, and this little sleeve slides down. And you do that same thing over on the other side. Very simple. And you just reverse that. And of course, when you go to fold it up, make sure you pull your handle up, because I've done put this thing to folded it up and then forgot the handle was laying inside there. So you got to undo it and pull the handle out. When it folds up, then there's a thing there where it pops in. Very nice, sturdy table. I'm impressed with it. It's definitely worth it. All right, we're back to set up again. And some people ask, is it level when it's in the center? It's not popped up or down or anything like that. It's perfectly level. So like I said, very good build quality. Okay, and as promised, I'm sitting on it. Right in the center, too. And it's not like bowing out or down or anything like that. Lower a little bit so you can see that. Holds up very well, doesn't it? Anyways, I hope that helps. Y'all have a wonderful day. See ya.